Next, we're going to explore what Whitman called the 9 learned wants. These are desires we've learned as we've grown up. They're the need to be informed, the need to satisfy curiosity, cleanliness of the body and surroundings, efficiency, convenience, dependability and quality, expression of beauty and style, profit, and bargains. You'll find that these aren't as strong as the Life Force 8, but you can also use them in your ads to get customers to click and call. You can see these learned wants popping up in all sorts of mediums. Online article headlines are a great example of writers using the need to be informed and the need to satisfy curiosity to get clicks. Thus, articles like 24 things they definitely should have taught you in school. If communicated correctly, what you'll find is satisfying biological desires will work better than satisfying learned wants. See the 2 books below on housekeeping. What appeals to you more? The life-changing magic of tidying up, the Japanese art of decluttering and organizing, or Project Organization, quick and easy ways to organize your life. The book on the left explicitly says that it will change your life. This appeals to the first Life Force need. On the right, the book is emphasizing the efficiency and the convenience it will bring into your life, which satisfies the learned wants. You can also combine the Life Force 8 with learned wants, like we have here on the left. In this ad for a student gym membership, there's a sexual companionship aspect with the guy and the girl looking into each other's eyes. You also have the bargain aspect with the low student membership price popping out. Compare this to the ad on the right, which just emphasizes the bargains. Ultimately, from a high level, ads are meant to spark tension, which creates desire and a need to satisfy that desire. A lot of you may not have marketing backgrounds, so I want you to understand the underlying principles of advertising before we get into the weeds of writing out these ads. I also wanted to get you to reflect on the ads you have currently and start thinking about how you might be able to appeal to people's deeper needs. In the next section, we'll begin that process and we'll start going over how to evaluate your customers. I'll see you there.